YouTube. Me and my friend here, we're going to be destroying this microwave. I got fire to it already, so not that big of a loss. Also, safety first. We're going to put the weapons. If you see the last video of the laptop, hashtag Savage Room is back. We're naming him Savage. I don't know. We're going to name him something. Link in the description. Give me some names. I'll choose the. Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'll do first hit.
No, because I'm going to hit the glass.
Okay, fine. Well, be careful though.
Oh, frick, I hit right there. Dang it. Alright,
hang on.
Take your hit.
Hang on. We're going to move this back so I don't lose the tablet. Also.
Yeah, just angle it. Yeah, angle it sideways.
Also, I got a new So now I got a new laptop from a friend. So I'll be using that some video. Hang on. Okay. Here, man. Let's go.
And don't you do the ground.
Okay. Oh, that hit the glass. Ooh, yeah.
Alright. Little scratch. We'll give you updates every like couple days. Alright, here's my second hit.
Believe it.
Yeah!
I hope you saw that. Senior
Alright, update.
Hang on.
Alright, update.
Move everything out of the way. Holy crap, that's a lot. I don't know what we're gonna do. We find that out. Just pick it up and you just move it and show us.
Update.
You broke into the.
So new update. Where's the camera, bro?
Just spray him. Just. Gotta get burnt.
So that's some freaking microwave. Look at that. I broke the glass. It shattered into bits. So now I've got that done. Alright.
Taking a picture.
Alright, that was update number 1. Alright, put it back up. Oh, did you charge it?
I had to buy a $31 charger.
Oh,
I had to buy a $31 charger. Oh, dude.
just so you guys can see.
Hang on. Let me put this and this to the side.
Yeah.
Behind here. And wait. Grab the dustpan.
Alright, I know what I'm going to call this.
Hang on. My turn. I have to do this.
I'm going to call it the Shatterer. Just put his name.
Okay.
And,
actually, I called him the Mighty Eagle. Okay.
so, I made a little,
Did you show them glass?
yeah.
Holy crap, that's a lot of glass. I'm not kidding. Oh.
Here, I got this.
Yeah, you hold the dustpan, I sweep it in. Don't ever try this at home, okay?
Yeah.
Never try this at home, please.
We're
We're not getting sued tonight. My parents don't know I'm doing this exactly.
yeah, and also we've had,
We're sweep this thing.
we're not essentially trained professionals,
No, we're not at all. So
But-
don't ever try this.
but I've had, me and him have had experience.
We've tried
So
it.
we
tried destroying one.
Yeah.
We failed.
we know what to do. We know the safety.
Okay, we're good. My turn.
And if you ever do this and you have safety maybe, and you're with your parents, then just remember to be safe and wear a helmet and remember to pick up after
Yeah.
everything. Be responsible for your actions.
Now, last episode, you saw me do a Kung Fu Panda. Kung Fu Panda 2.
And oh, he knocked some glass out.
I destroyed most of them. I destroyed. Oh!
Oh, he snapped it in half. As you can see,
Breaking it off. Just roll it off. Oh!
we broke off the front.
Now that takes skill.
Move the box here. Let's move the camera closer.
Be careful though, we just destroyed. And we popped the ball. So now I guess I'm gonna be doing this for the whole video.
Watch out.
He'll wear this. We'll wear these, okay? I hope none of my neighbors see me. So You're my
Yeah.
neighbors. I'm not a total crazy idiot. Promise.
I'm gonna call this the shatter. All right, I'm gonna go for my next hit. Stand back.
That's closer. You're gonna be seeing me dancing.
All right,
Careful.
that's some pretty hard metal.
That's pretty hard.
That's
We're gonna move this back a little bit so we don't damage my camera.
just a little.
I have my camera, but I don't know. I need to buy another part.
I have to take this off. I'm sorry.
I'm gonna be wearing my whole video, so
Mine
the rest
won't stay on. All right.
Go.
This time, instead of using the flat side, we'll use this side.
Good luck. Destroy laptop once.
All right.
I did at least. Oh, that broke the door. That broke the door. Pick this puppy up.
Remember, we're not using.
That broke the door. Oh, dude, you broke the door, man. Dude, you about broke the locking mechanisms. Oh, okay, that takes some.
All right.
We're
So
gonna
update.
make sure you can see that. Okay.
Update. So, remember, we're not using all our strength because we don't want to just immediately shatter and get, really hurt.
Now,
And
hashtag Savage Broom again. We're doing the broom again. I love you, Mr. Broom. This
All right.
is my outside broom.
so what I did, if you can see, I put a giant hole right there. If you can see that, yeah. So, I almost broke the locking mechanism, which kind of sucks, but, Alright. Set you down. Yeah, you're good. Remember, pay attention to it right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna die.
Ah!
This is going off. I'm sorry.
Alright.
Ow.
You okay?
Yeah, my broom hurt.
This
Maybe you
time.
can staff.
I'm still gonna use this, but this time
The sharp side.
we're gonna stab.
I was gonna use sharp side, but okay.
Wait, no. We're just gonna smash into the top.
Be careful.
We're gonna use this side just so you know, so we don't maybe break the blade.
Yeah.
Because this is pretty tough metal.
Go. Yeah, my neighbors are gonna kill me. I'm gonna go straight. I'm gonna run.
So I made a slight dent into the top.
Okay. I'm gonna go run and I'm gonna smack this
He's
into there.
gonna try to hit right there where the hole is.
Yeah, that hole right there. We broke the glass in one might.
Yeah, he's gonna run up and smash into the glass. So remember to watch this side. He'll come running in.
Come on, let's go.
And-
Yes!
Oh,
That broke my staff.
that's the stuff I gave you. Remember.
That broke my staff. Oh.
Oh.
As you can see now, my staff is now broke.
All right, I'm gonna go for the old-fashioned.
You got all my money back.
I'm gonna see if I can break the locking. I'm gonna see if I can smack right into the number count.
Oh no. Do it. I need a new weapon now, so.
I'm gonna go for an overhead smack.
Go. Just go. I want to see this
Wait.
happen.
I can already dent it. I can't go for an overhead smack. I can go for like a side smack.
Okay, let's see. You guys want to do something right? You gotta do it first time.
Oh, I cut into it slightly.
Oh, that's Bobo's boyfriend. Sorry, Gandalf. You don't want you dead. No, that's my weapon, mate.
Alright, as you can see, I have broken that part.
Heads up. You want to do it the assassin way.
So I broke kind of the top right up there. Kind of sucks, but let's do this.
Assassination way.
We're gonna put you on a bigger box. Get that box.
Yeah. This is. Thank you to my school for donating these boxes. If I was watching this, I decided not to do the Nerf war thing. I decided just to use this. Okay, move it back so we can do this.
Hold up.
We're gonna be doing this in the assassin.
Jump.
Now this isn't as slow as yesterday. Yay! Because it was laggy yesterday. Okay. I'm gonna do a few hits to this, to the keypad.
Alright.
Right here to the keypad. It's gonna go. Wah. Oh, this could break off easily.
Wait.
Watch out, watch out.
And. Ooh. You broke the walking.
Oh no. We didn't need this. Hang on.
Alright.
Never mind, I'm going for a room again. Watch out, Ed.
Okay.
They're breaking a microphone. Okay.
It's going on YouTube, so.
Have you already broken up the screen?
Yeah, there's glass in there.
Yeah, well, it's microwave. Yeah, well, yeah, we're going. So we're heading over to Dominic's house just before. Right there. Going to two.
Okay, what are you doing this? Okay.
Is it even working?
Well, we broke out the glass, so.
You need to heat up a knife.
That's.
That's dead, but you should do it anyway.
Yeah.
Okay, this.
I don't
going
have a
down.
flame. I broke something off. I think I might have broke this.
Now this is for my payback for destroying this. Better one! This is for my staff! It broke it again. You know what? We go for a total rage.
And I think I broke this.
No. Oh gosh. Is that right?
No.
We go for senior stone. We go for the stone of death. We're going for a stone of death now.
Oh, don't. No. Alright. Fair enough.
Okay. Stone of death!
Hey, go throw it in the river.
Okay.
In the canal? Alright.
No, not yet. No.
This?
No, we're not gonna do that. I think you meant the stone. Oh. Now, I don't know if you can see that, but I'm not touching that with my hands. Gandalf, we're gonna use you.
You made a giant dent.
Show them.
Wait, my turn.
Show them. That's one big dent. I ain't using Gandalf. Just myself. Man. Now this is the biggest dent ever.
Alright, I'm gonna go for the key. I'm gonna go for the keypad again. Just smack. This time I'm gonna go down here and set
Just do it.
up on the timer.
You're doing it the total wrong way.
I'll show you. Here.
I was going to. Don't ever do this in your favorite way.
And get it down right there.
It's gonna be using this. If you want to do something the right way, you're gonna do it the brutally murdered way. Oh.
Yeah, the locking.
Okay, we wrote this. So we're gonna try to open this. Got it.
Alright, now it's fully broken.
Now hold it like this. We're gonna be taking this thing off. Batter up, people. Hope you're not thankful because we're gonna be doing the best beach body in the world. Watch out, I'm not
You're gonna
kidding.
break off that. Oh, and he goes. Bada swing! Swing! And he breaks it.
This is why I hope I get paid. Oh.
See, that's the front.
Okay.
So, the first time we cut into it,
We're gonna need to trash
I stabbed it right there, and then he made a couple of dents up here. And on the back, oh, I've already got some kind of sticky stuff on my finger.
Just throw that away.
That's a little weird. And as you can see, a dent came out.
Dump that in the trash.
Alright, so, what I'm going to do,
How can we even do this? Does this still even work? Oh.
oh,
Yes, it's gonna break off.
we broke this locking mechanism. Give me the broom, the savage broom.
Got something better than that.
No, it's my turn. Wait.
Stab that in there. We're gonna pull that off. Just
Alright.
just be careful.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll up my sleeves for safety,
Done.
so I don't slide my finger. What I'm gonna gonna do is I'm gonna stick.
Open it up first a little bit. I'm gonna help you. Open it up together.
Alright? And what I'm gonna do, flip it back, flip it in.
Oh, we're gonna see how a microwave works now.
Welcome to Technology with Spencer and Ed.
Okay, let's check.
Alright, no, it's my turn. I gotta do something.
Put yours in here as well.
Wait, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna cut the line.
So, we're gonna fly this thing off.
Alright?
Sorry, I had to talk to my friends as well that were walking by. If you heard them. Woo! Wow.
And I broke off the wires, now I'm just gonna get in there.
We're getting in there right now. We're rigging into this. This is Mission Impossible right here. Hey!
Oh yeah, back up.
Yeah. Okay, hang on. I can help you now.
Wait.
We're gonna need this.
Oh shoot.
Right?
Alright, and know what? I'm gonna do my last hit.
Hit it harsh. Okay.
No!
Okay.
I have to break it off.
I hope you can see that. Okay. I got
Alright.
this part.
I'm
Oh.
just gonna snap it.
Yeah, snap that off and then we'll show them.
Update. Close-up update.
Hang on.
Ah!
If you've ever wondered how dial pad works, let's show you the old phone. So the newest model of the Galaxy S7. It's a brick now. Don't you love it? Beep, beep, beep. And this is the inside of it. Now, don't you love it, people? Let me do it.
Here, can you just...
Yeah, can I
let's
talk to you?
just-
No!
And let's just... We'll give you a quick update.
I'm sorry, Ed.
It's okay.
Okay, the new Galaxy S7.
I'm just
8,
gonna...
I don't know. Okay,
Alright.
that goes in the trash. I love you too, buddy.
Quick update.
Oh,
Is the screen looking at it?
I don't know. Yeah, it is. Somewhere.
Yeah.
That's broken off. That could.
Broke it off. Broke off the top.
How much? Hang on, how long? You know. Oh, 17 minutes. That looks pretty good.
All right, 7.
17.
All right, we gotta quickly wrap up this. So we're gonna take a couple more hits and
No,
Nope.
even better than a couple more hits. We're gonna do the biggest finale hit.
get ready. You can't even see it. Here we go.
Get on there, Ed. They're gonna need to take a hoe. They're gonna need a hoe to do this work. If you don't want to, if you can't hire anyone to do your work, hire the hoe.
Hold up.
Hire a hoe, guys. I'm not kidding. Hire a hoe to do the work. Because hoes are the farmer's market tool. I don't know.
All right. Wait. Where do you want to hit? Should we smack right to the top?
I'm gonna go straight for the middle. Watch out, buddy. And he's playing golf. When you hit this ball out of the ballpark,